A virtual machine is a software emulation of hardware. Think of it like having a computer inside your computer. This computer has its CPU, memory, and disk drives. The physical machine on which the virtual machine runs is called the host. The virtual machine is called the guest. Before we create your virtual machine, let us enable hardware assistance for virtualization. You can check if virtualization is active by running Task Manager in Windows. Go to CPU and check if virtualization is enabled. If it is disabled, you can enable it from your BIOS settings. Get into your BIOS, usually by pressing F2 or Delete key. Then search for virtualization in Advanced Settings and enable it. This will be called Intel VMX, or Intel Virtualization Technology, if you use Intel. If you are using AMD, it will be called AMDV. The software to create a virtual machine is called the hypervisor. There are many hypervisors to create virtual machines. We will use VirtualBox. Search for VirtualBox and go to Oracle site download. Download the version suitable for your operating system. Also, download the extension pack as it adds support needed for more functions. You may want to download the manual for later reference. Run the installation file and accept the agreement. This message warns you that your network will be disconnected. If you are downloading something, the download will be interrupted. You will also get a notification if you have Python dependencies missing. Just press Yes, then Next and install. Click on File, Tools, then Extensions. Click Install. Browse to the extension file you downloaded earlier and click Open. Click Install again, then scroll through the agreement and click I agree. Click Yes. To create a virtual machine, click on New. Give your virtual machine a name that helps identify it. Choose where the virtual machine will be stored. Next, browse to the ISO image location of the operating system to install in the virtual machine. You can change the properties of this operating system if they are not identified automatically. Click Next. Here you specify how much memory your virtual machine will have, as well as how many CPUs and disk space it will have. Remember, the host and virtual machine are isolated, but they share resources. Click Finish and start your virtual machine. If you selected a recognized operating system earlier, you can choose Unattended Installation, which will require more information. You may want to install guest editions as well. Otherwise, when the virtual machine starts, install the operating system as usual. So far, you have seen one type of hypervisors. In this type, you have the hypervisor installed in the host operating system. This is called a Type 2 hypervisor. The other type, usually used by corporations, is called Type 1. In this type of hypervisor, the hypervisor is installed directly on the physical hardware. This is why it is sometimes referred to as bare metal hypervisor. Virtual machines are used for several reasons: learning and development. Virtual machines are isolated. If a problem arises, it stays in the virtual machine. This makes it safe to experiment freely. It also enhances your security because it isolates potentially harmful software or untrusted websites. This protects the host legacy support. You might have a software or a game that runs on an old operating system. You can create a virtual machine with that operating system to run the software, backup, and portability. Since virtual machines are only files, they can be backed up and recovered easily. That includes the operating system, application, and data. Virtual machines can also be copied to a different host with ease. Thank you for watching and see you next time.